In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a rear exterior door handle on a Chevrolet Equinox. This is located on the rear doors. Let's get started. We're going to go ahead and open our rear door and locate our door handle. Inside there's a plastic trim panel. We are going to remove that using an angled pick. Along the bottom side of the door panel, there's another plastic trim piece. Again, I'll be using an angled pick. Just gonna pry it from the corner and set it aside. Behind those trim pieces, we are gonna locate 3 7mm bolts, one here and 2 down here. Now you can remove the panel from the door. We're going to pry along the corners of the panel. Once they're all free, just pull it up. Now to remove our door handle cable. On top you'll find a plastic tab. Just push down and pull out. Now pull back and remove the cable from the handle. Now I'm going to peel this white insulation off from the corners of the door panel. This is to gain access to my window switch connector. We're going to find a white tab, just pull that back. And push down on this black tab to remove the connector. Inspect for any corrosion or damage. Now set the door panel aside. Now to reinstall our door panel. Going to feed our harness in through this cloth. And I'm going to reconnect it on the window switch. Fully push down until you hear a click and push the white tab in. Now resecure the white cloth along the clips on the edges of the door panel. Now we're going to move up to our door handle cable. I'm going to put the cable in the holder on the handle, pull out and latch it in. Make sure it's secure. Now to reinstall the door panel on the vehicle. I'm going to slide over my lock cylinder first into the hole on the door panel. I'm going to line our clips and push in on all the edges. Now for our 3 7mm bolts, 2 in this cubby right here and 1 on the door handle. Again, just snug these down. Now I'm going to reinstall our plastic covers. Just slide them in and clip them in as well. The corner cutout goes on the top right.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.